Hello valued customer. Thank you for choosing Rosenthal Collections for carefully curated products. Here's our 3-piece reversible ingot mold. It consists of a base, frame, and a clamp. It's made from gray cast iron, guaranteeing your melt a smooth finish every time. This reversible ingot mold is ideal for making sheets, round wire, and half round wire. By assembling the parts, you can create round wire, half round wire, and different sizes of rectangle sheets by sliding the frame towards the open space, like this. After watching this video, you still have questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you for watching.